Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by proving the device is yours or that you have explicit permission to change its management. Once done, back up everything. You don't want to lose personal data. Make sure the phone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi, and record the serial and EMESO support can help quickly. Then contact your organization's IT admin or the account owner to request an official removal. Do not attempt unauthorized circumvention, since that can violate policies and warranty terms. Next, you work with the administrator or vendor to perform the removal properly. Explain why you need unenrollment and share the device details. They can issue the correct removal command or token. If IT provides steps, follow them exactly and avoid guessing. If the organization cannot help, prepare proof of purchase and identity so Samsung support or an authorized service center can verify ownership and assist. This path preserves warranties and keeps the device compliant with policies. Finally, once IT or Samsung confirms the MDM is removed, update the phone and restore your backed up data. You should verify with your administrator that corporate policies and profiles are no longer enforced, and test commonly used apps to confirm normal behavior. If you still see restrictions or a device lock, don't try unofficial workarounds. Instead, escalate to your IT contact or an authorized Samsung service center with your proof of ownership. That approach resolves problems without risking legal or warranty.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.